Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. If this is your first time of watching me, please do me a favor and try and subscribe to this channel. You will love the news, you will love everything about me. Short and gentle, you understand? We'll be hearing ready to the emergency, ready to the emergency, ready to the emergency, and most of us don't know the meaning of ready to the emergency. You understand? If you don't know the meaning, you have to follow the steps before you will not end up of giving multa. You understand? Because it's not everybody who qualify to go and apply it. Understand? It's not everybody who qualified to go and apply radio the emergency. Not everybody. You understand? So listen and listen attentively. If you never apply it or you want to go and apply it, there is some kind following issues you will do before you can go there and apply it. Let's not waste my time. Let's go direct to the meaning of ready to the emergency. And what is ready to the emergency? It's a special financial aid that is given to people and family who do not have or are not receiving any forms of support, who do not have or receiving any forms of support. If you understand, do not have or receiving any forms of support, if you understand the meaning, like you are working, you understand, you did not qualify. Let me say that because you are getting support from it, from your work. They said those who who do not have any support at all, those who are not they don't have support, they can apply ready to the emergency. And let's go so that you understand it better. It is important not to confuse the emergency relief. Listen well, it is important not to confuse the emergency relief. Because the way they say this thing here is that, a lot of people don't understand it. They will just get up, they want to go and apply bonus. They will reach there, they will tell you, say, you did not qualify. Because they will look at your easy. First of all, everything about you is in that easy. The work you are doing, your year salary, everything is in that easy. So if you go there, they will look the easy before the number of the easy that you can use and apply. If you read it, they say the number is more high than what you think. You have to come back. You understand? If you force to apply it, maybe you get muta. You understand? And mostly we blacks did not understand the meaning. Somebody will just get up one day, I want to go and do bonus ready to the emergency. You reach the calf people will tell you, say, you did not qualify. You think that, oh, it's not that. It's the support of people. Those who don't have any support at all, they can process the ready to the emergency. Ready to the emergency. Listen and listen. Like you are working. If you are working, I don't know the amount they need, but it depends the money, the salary you are collecting in your working salary. You understand? Maybe you are collecting 1,000, some 1,000, 2,000, 3. Somebody is collecting 800, 600. The person can apply. The one who is collecting 1,500 or 1,600 or 1,700 cannot apply it. It depends your financial support. You understand? So let's finish it. These are two different types of support, and you can not request both. Chitadinansa and ready to the emergency. They are two. They are moving together. So it's not all of them you can apply at the same time. Listen and listen. It's not everything you can apply at the same time. So calculated based on the number of people in the family. It calculates both the number of people, like how many children, how all the family are, like 4, 3. You understand? They need everything, your code fiscal, family documents, so that you can process it. And the number of people in the family, the type of work they do. Listen, the type of work they do, like you're working different work, different. You understand? Maybe I'm working. I don't know how I'm going to call the work. You're working different work. I'm working different work. It depends the salary you collect. That's why I said this thing. It depends the salary you collect. Those who did not understand it, it depends the salary you collect, and it depends the work you do. Don't do mistake. If you go, they may give you muta. So the type of work they do and the economy situation, the type of work they do and the economic situation. Listen very well. The type of work they do and economic situation. You know, there's those who are working receiving 500 euro a month. Somebody is working collecting 2,000 euro a month. 500 euro a month can go and do ready to the emergency. 2,000 euro person cannot go and do it. So listen and listen very well, because there's some kind of people who does not understand it. They will just get up, they are good. So they say the situation and the aim that can range from this money, the aim that can range from this money is for 400 euro to 800 euros. That will be paid if you qualify it. Either 400 euro or 800 euro. That will be paid if you are qualified to apply ready to the emergency. And the process, if you want to go and do this process, you need whether speed or code. One of them, speed or code. I say yeah, speed, code, and then your easy. Let me just say that, because easy without code you cannot process easy like that. You understand? It depends. Your easy, they will calculate everything. That small money they will use to give you back. That's the ready to the emergency. You understand? And if you I speak, there's a lot of people who are asking, I never renew my easy, I don't know how I'm going to do the easy. This year 2021 they changed the law. If you want to do your easy, there's a paper. You go to your bank, they call it Giachenza Media. I did that video, that's 2 days before now, and people are still asking. There's one paper, the bank you are saving, from 2019 January to 2019 December. You go back to that bank, you give them your code fiscal, they will print. If you tell them that you need Giachenza Media 2019, they will print it and give you. You understand? If they give you, you go to CAF where you do your easy. After you do your easy, you can now apply for that ready to the emergency. Without easy, you cannot do it. Without easy, you cannot apply it. So those of you who never apply the easy and other things, you have to go to your bank and collect one paper. If you go there, it will be simple for you. So this is simple and understanding. It's not everybody who can apply ready to the emergency. It's not everybody. You cannot get up one day, I'm going to apply this bonus because people are talking about it in social media and other things. Maybe you reach there, they'll say you did not qualify. It's not everybody who can apply it. Listen and listen very well, because maybe they want you to come, they will give you muta, you pay the muta, because if you did not pay it, it's a problem, because they will think that you want to scam them. You understand the meaning? Because somebody can go do Domanda so that they will help you, but to last they will still give you muta because you did not qualify. And it's not all CAF people who will tell you that you qualify. They will finish before you collect the muta. You understand? So listen and listen very well. If you want to go, follow the instruction, follow the guidelines and everything, so that you will not end up with mistake. That is all. So that is what I have for you for today. And if it's your first time of watching me, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. You will love everything about me. You understand? It's short and gentleness and understanding. I will make sure if you don't understand anything, I'll put it clear for you people so that you will not do mistake. Thanks for watching. Love you all.